In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on Hulu so you can enjoy live sports and exclusive content seamlessly. Start by subscribing to Hulu Plus Live TV, as it includes ESPN as part of its channel lineup. Sign up through the Hulu website or app, and create an account if you don't already have one. Once subscribed, download the Hulu app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device like Roku or Amazon Fire Stick. Open the Hulu app, navigate to the Live TV section, and locate ESPN in the channel guide. You can stream live sports events, shows, and more directly from the app. For convenience, use the app's recording feature to save ESPN programs for later viewing. If you're traveling, access Hulu via a web browser or use a VPN to bypass geo restrictions. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on Hulu.